Prepare to be astonished. Today, we're unveiling the groundbreaking machinery, revolutionizing forestry and wood processing. From massive tree harvesters to cutting-edge precision tools, we've got every game changer in the industry. Let's witness the felling of a 14-foot diameter sequoia, completed in 10 hours over 2 days using the Echo CS800P chainsaw, featuring an 80.7cc engine, 6 horsepower, and a 90 cm bar, designed for large, heavy timber. The Monster Splitter Firewood Processor by Cord King handles logs up to 72 inches in diameter and 16 feet long, ideal for large-scale firewood production. It efficiently splits massive logs into smaller pieces in one pass, maximizing productivity. Now, let's see how the Morbark 223 flail operates. With a 72-inch working width and capable of handling materials up to 6 inches in diameter, this 150 horsepower flail is perfect for clearing brush and small trees in forestry. The Pizzolato TMTB 600 excels in efficient firewood production and heavy-duty wood processing. The 55 kilowatts engine processes 10 to 15 cubic meters per hour, delivering 40 tons of splitting force and handling logs up to 23.6 inches in diameter. This is the John Deere 1270G, equipped with a 382 horsepower engine that processes up to 80 cubic meters of timber per hour. It handles trees up to 29.5 inches in diameter and features a 7.8 to 8.2 meter boom for efficient large-scale harvesting. The Madil 2850C, with its 400 horsepower engine, excels in hauling logs up steep inclines using a heavy-duty winch system. It efficiently transports logs from rugged mountain terrain, handling over 30 tons with ease. With a capacity to handle 50 to 70 trees per hour, the Metavic S180 wood processor efficiently processes and cuts trees up to 18 inches in diameter. Ideal for high-output operations, it combines power and precision to enhance productivity in wood processing. The Viber 78 chipper can turn a massive log into a pile of wood chips in no time. It processes up to 50 cubic meters per hour, handles logs up to 60 centimeters in diameter, and produces fine and coarse chips efficiently. Watch as red incense wood logs up to 2 meters in diameter are sliced into large slabs with 200-ton saws. Each slab, valued at $5,000, showcases nature's intricate patterns and the factory's advanced sawing techniques.